What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to jump on here and share something that I'm so beyond excited about. I just finished a really awesome bake, some whole wheat sourdough and some rye. And these recipes are actually from my cookbook, which came out about a week ago, September 16th, and it's now available in stores anywhere you can buy cookbooks. I really wanted to say thank you to everyone that's been watching this channel. This actually would never have happened without you. Seriously, every time you've watched a video, baked a recipe, left a comment, or even just hung out on this channel, you've been a part of this journey. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. My first cookbook is called Bread Etc. There's over 100 recipes in it, and it's broken into 5 sections. We've got sourdough, yeasted bread, leftover bread, sourdough discard, and one of my favorites, pizza. I really wanted this book to be helpful for everyone, so whether you've just started your baking journey or you've been baking for years, there's something in here for you. The recipes are broken down and highlighted by skill level, so it goes beginner, intermediate, advanced, and you can really jump in anywhere you want. It feels absolutely surreal to even hold this book in my hands. I've been baking this type of bread for almost 20 years. And it took me over 5 years from the first conversation with the publisher to the point of having an actual book in my hand. So that's totally nuts. I've been baking, teaching, working in Michelin kitchens, and really just perfecting my recipes for so many years that I'm just so happy to finally share them with you. I know I've been sharing recipes online and on YouTube for years, but this just feels a little different. And this is really, you know, a lot. There's a lot in here. I've put myself really out there. So I hope you love this as much as I do. There was many times during the process that I wanted to quit, I wanted to give up, and I had an amazing team around me, support from my family that really helped me get through this and get to this point. If you'd like to grab a copy, it's available anywhere books are sold. I'll leave a few links below in the description. And if you do end up grabbing a copy, I'd love to see what you bake from it. So please tag me on social, send me an email, and just let me know. Drop a comment if you've got the book, if you're gonna get it. I would love to hear from you. Once again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for supporting this channel. There's really nothing that makes me happier than sharing my recipes and seeing you make my bread come to life and seeing your successes in the bake. Whether it's the sourdough, the rye, the discard recipes, I love them all, and I am so excited for you to grab a copy. We're coming up on 100,000 subscribers, and yeah, that's the next milestone to hit. So once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.